Hello, in this video I will demonstrate you the flow of our module CalDAV Sync, like how you can sync your Google Calendar with your Odoo calendar, how you can sync the events and the meetings and all the scheduled events that are created in your Google Calendar or in your Odoo calendar. So first of all, to see our module in the database, you need to go to settings and search for CalDAV. Then you will get this option, so you need to enable this enable CalDAV sync checkbox. Once you will enable, you need to save the settings and then go back to the Odoo dashboard, so you will be able to see this module over here. Now by opening the module, you need to first create one account, that is a new account, to configure your Google Calendar with your Odoo database. Now in this video, as I am demonstrating you this server type will be Google Calendar, because I am showing you like how you can configure your Google Calendar or sync your Google Calendar with your Odoo calendar. So first, while creating the account, you need to give a name, account name, and then you need to select the server type. So as I want to connect my Google Calendar, I'm selecting the same over here in the server type. After that, I need to add the Google client ID and the client secret provided by Google to me. Once added, I need to click on authorize with Google, and as soon as I will give some app permission, it will be authorized and you will be redirected again to your account. And here in the CalDAV calendar URL, the URL with your email ID, that is your Gmail account, will appear. Once done, you need to click on test connection, and once the connection is successfully tested, you will get the notification for the same. Now after doing this configuration settings, I will explain you the sync options. So first one is the sync direction. So we have provided here three options, like bidirectional, so it will sync all the events from Odoo calendar to your Google calendar, or from Google to Odoo's calendar. Then if you are keeping the option as Odoo to CalDAV, so only the events created from Odoo calendar will be seen in your Google calendar. Like if you are making any event in your Google calendar, that won't be updated over here in your Odoo's calendar, and the vice versa of it will be in the option CalDAV to Odoo. So here if you are creating an event in your Google calendar, so it will be updated in your Odoo, but if you are making any change in your Odoo's calendar, it won't be seen in your Google calendar. So for now in this video, I'm keeping the sync direction as bidirectional. Then send invitation emails. So this checkbox, if it's enabled, so it will help you to send the invitation emails automatically as soon as you create the event over here in Odoo. Then auto create contacts. So for example, if you are creating any event in your Google calendar and you are adding a few contacts, or you are inviting some people in that event, so if that contacts are not created over here, so this checkbox will help you to create the contacts over here in Odoo. Then this owner field, so it is something related to this account. Like if I'm creating one account and I'm setting the owner over here, so for example, currently the owner is Creyox. So now if I go back to settings and users, and I open my user, that is Creyox, so here I have provided this access right, that is CalDAV sync. So if Creyox, this user, has the access right of admin, so this user will be able to see all of the accounts, no matter which owner is set over there. Like if in the owner I'm setting any other user, then also the Creyox will be able to see that account, because here its access right is set as admin. But if I'm setting the access right as user, so only the accounts created for this user will be seen to Creyox. Like in whichever accounts I'm setting the owner as Creyox, so that only will be visible to this user, because here the access right is set as user. Now again going back to my CalDAV and account, so these are some basic settings. Now what I will do is, in my Google Calendar, I will create one event over here. and the date is 9th June, and it is only a 1-day event, like it's not a recurring event. Now I'm adding one email ID, like I'm inviting the guest over here, and then I'm saving the event. Now after creating the event over here in the Google Calendar, I will go back to my account and click on Sync Now. So here you will get the notification like your sync is completed. Now if I go back to calendar and go to the month of June, so here you will be able to see that on 9th of June the demo meeting event is seen in your Odoo calendar as well. Now if I again go back to my Google Calendar and edit the event, like here I'm setting it as a recurring event like weekly on Tuesday, and I'm saving the changes. So here you can see every Tuesday the event will be repeated, and if I go back to my CalDAV, open the account and click on Sync Now. So again, by going to my calendar, selecting the month of June, so by seeing in the month of June, you can see the same event has been updated over here as well. Like I changed the event over there as a recurring event, so here also it's repeated every Tuesday in all of the months. Now if I go back and open this event in the month of June and click on edit, and if I change the time from here, if I do it as 10:30 to 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then apply. So here I have changed the timing of this meeting again. If I go and see, so here for this event, the first one, the timing is changed. Now again going back to CalDAV Sync and clicking on Sync Now. So you will get the notification, and if you go to your Google Calendar and refresh it, so you will be able to see the timing for the meeting has been changed from 10:15 to 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now let's say if I'm creating an event from here, I have created this event on 17th of June from my Odoo calendar, and it's a 1-day event, and I'm setting the duration as 1:30 to 2:30, and then I'm applying it, I am adding the attendees over here, clicking on save. So this is the event created over here in Odoo. Now I will go back to my calendar, CalDAV sync, and I will click on sync now. So here you can see like one event has been pushed. So now if you go and check in your Google Calendar, so the same event will be created over here and the attendees will be added. Now let's say if I'm deleting the event from here, from my Odoo calendar, like I'm selecting the same event and I'm deleting it. So after refreshing your Google Calendar, you will be able to see the same event has been deleted in your Google Calendar as well. Also, as I told you, the attendees that you are adding in your Google Calendar, if that contact is not present in your Odoo, so here in Odoo automatically that contact will be created. So if I search for the contact ABC, so here you can see that contact has been created over here in your Odoo database. So yeah, this was all about the functionality of our module CalDAV Sync, like how you can sync your Google Calendar with your Odoo's calendar. Thank you.